Hola! Today we will learn how to describe people, and to do that we need 3 verbs, only 3 verbs: ser, tener, and llevar. Apart from the verbs, we're going to need to introduce a list of nouns and adjectives. Let's do that and start with the hair, el pelo. We're going to describe different types of hair. Pelo largo, long hair. Pelo corto, short hair. Pelo liso, straight hair. Liso, straight. Pelo ondulado, wavy hair. Pelo ondulado. Pelo rizado, curly hair. Pelo rizado. Pelo rubio, blonde hair. Pelo rubio. Pelo moreno, brown hair. Pelo moreno. Pelo negro, black hair. Pelo negro. An alternative word for pelo is cabello. Now the eyes, los ojos. Ojos marrones, brown eyes. Ojos marrones, brown is maron. But in this case, ojos is a plural word, so we need to put the adjective marron in the plural version. Ojos marrones. Ojos afules, blue eyes. Ojos afules. Ojos negros. In Spanish, we refer to dark eyes with ojos negros, which literally means black eyes, but nothing to do with a black eye. Ojos verdes, green eyes. Ojos verdes. Again, verde is the singular, verdes is the plural, because the noun ojos is plural. Let's move on to the adjectives. We're going to give you a list of adjectives to describe people. First one is alto. Alto means tall. Alto. Because it's a male, it's the masculine form. If we describe a woman as being tall, we use the form alta. Alto, alta. The same with short, bajo. Feminine version would be baja. Delgado, thin. Delgado. With adjectives, as you know, we also have the plural form when we talk about more than one person. The opposite of delgado would be gordo, fat. Gordo. And because it's ending in O, it would also have a feminine version, gorda. However, fuerte, strong, fuerte, the ending is an E. And the adjectives ending in E are not masculine or feminine, they just stay. So if we describe a woman as being strong, we use the same adjective, fuerte. Guapo, handsome. Guapo. Feminine form would be guapa, beautiful. It is interesting to note that there are many different words to describe a woman who is attractive in Spanish. You could say guapa, linda, bonita. It depends on the country, but the 3 of them are very, very common. Feo would be the opposite, ugly, feo. If we want to say that someone is neither tall nor short, we use the form ni plus adjective, ni plus adjective. For instance, no es ni alto ni bajo. He is not neither tall nor short. Ni alto ni bajo. Neither tall nor short. Let's move on to the nouns. Gafas, glasses. Gafas is a feminine word and it's plural. Las gafas. Barba, a beard. Barba. Bigote. Bigote is a moustache. Bigote, masculine word, el bigote. Tatuaje, Again, masculine. El tatuaje is the tattoo. Let's now see the verbs. The three verbs that we mentioned before are ser, to be, tener, to have, and llevar, to wear. We're going to use only the third person. We're not to conjugate the whole verb because we're going to describe all the people. So we're going to use only the third person of these verbs, which makes everything easier. Él or ella es, he or she is. Él or ella tiene, he or she has. And finally, él or ella lleva, he or she wears. With él or ella es, he or she is, we have a list of adjectives we can add to it. For instance, es alto o alta, es bajo o baja, es delgado o delgada, es gordo o gorda, es guapo, es guapa, es feo, es fea, es fuerte. Remember, es plus an adjective. However, when we have tiene plus a noun. For instance, tiene pelo. Pelo is a noun. Tener plus nouns. But you can say something about the pelo and add an adjective to it. So, for instance, tiene pelo largo. He or she has long hair. Tiene pelo corto. Short hair. Tiene pelo liso. He or she has straight hair. Tiene pelo rizado. Curly hair. Tiene pelo ondulado. Wavy hair. Tiene pelo rubio, etc. The same with ojos. Él o ella tiene ojos. He or she has brown eyes. Remember that the position of the adjective and the nouns changes in Spanish. Tiene ojos azules. He or she has blue eyes. Tiene ojos verdes. He or she has green eyes. Tiene ojos negros. He or she has dark eyes, and so on. In Spanish, we use llevar with nouns as well. For instance, él lleva gafas. He wears glasses. Él lleva barba. He has a beard. Él lleva bigote. He has a mustache. Él o ella lleva tatuajes. Let's see one example putting everything together. Es un chico alto y delgado. Tiene pelo negro y corto. Tiene ojos marrones y lleva barba. Es guapo y fuerte. What we're saying here, es un chico alto y delgado. He is a tall and thin guy. Alto, tall, delgado, thin. Es un chico alto y delgado. Tiene pelo negro y corto. Negro, black. Corto, short. Pelo is the hair. Tiene pelo, he has black and short hair. Tiene ojos marrones y lleva barba. He has brown eyes and he wears a beard. He has a beard. Es guapo, he's good looking, and fuerte, y fuerte, strong. Let's do a little game now. ¿Quién es? Who is this person? Try to guess the famous person we are describing here. Él es muy famoso. Es alto y muy guapo. Tiene el pelo corto y lleva barba. Tiene ojos verdes. Lleva muchos tatuajes. Es inglés y es un exfutbolista. So what we're saying here is that él es muy famoso. He is very famous. Es alto y muy guapo. Again, he is tall and very good looking. Tiene el pelo corto. He has short hair. Y lleva barba. And he has a beard. We use the verb to wear. He wears a beard. Tiene ojos verdes. He has green eyes. Lleva muchos tatuajes. So he wears a lot of tattoos. Es inglés y es un exfutbolista. He is English, an Englishman, and he is an ex-footballer. Have you guessed? Yes, it's David Beckham. So the things to remember in this unit are that the adjectives can be masculine and feminine, and the ones ending in e are both masculine and feminine. And we use tiene or lleva with nouns.